this oven, as the pizza's cooking, man, I'll tell you, two things. I would never do this if I didn't dig this, and I dig it. Like, I think first you connect with things in a very primal way. For me, I just look at things that make sense to me. There's no gospel here other than my own to myself. I think that was the one thing about pizza. Starting out, there was a lot of religion of, you never do this, you always do that. And I'm like, hey man, if you dig it, do it. This sourdough is super happy. Wild Italian oregano. We're just gonna give it a little bunch. This is a garlic slicer. It's a little mandolin. Slice it fresh. Like everything that we did there now is just activated. So we activated, the dry herbs, and now we activated the garlic by slicing it last minute. It's super heady. One thing I always knew early on is we're never greater than the ingredients. The ingredients are always greater than us. And our role is to help it stay delicious and retain what nature did to make it fantastic already. Finding things that are already great and illuminating them. It's kind of funny how life changes. When I did this one 30 years ago, like nobody wanted it. But now they kind of dig it, and it makes me happy. I was in Liguria, in Italy, and there was a focaccia that I had with Parmigiano Reggiano and sesame seeds, and it blew my mind. I just kind of tweaked it a little bit with that inspiration, and I looked at what we have. Like, we didn't have great sesame seeds at that time, but we did have tons of pistachios. The secret is there's no secret. The secret is commit yourself. And, when you get to the point when the triumphs outweigh the disasters, that you stay on that path and you write down and record everything that went right for you. I love when smart people get involved and take the things and study the way things cook and give us new ways to cook them. And it's amazing, actually, where technology can get involved with chefs to help tweak in a very uncompromised piece of equipment. Pretty amazing. I'm super happy with that, man, right there. It's like it's sagging in all the right places. I can't say the same for myself, but I dig it. I eat that, as we say in the kitchen. I think you'll dig it. And I think you'll dig the oven, man. I'm telling you, I wouldn't be here if I didn't. Nice job, people at Breville. Look forward to seeing all the good things people put in it. And we'll see you soon. Cheers.